I wanted to ask you really quick, um, with C60 having the ability to cross the blood-brain barrier, why do you think that's so special and important?
Well, a lot of things will not cross. The blood-brain barrier is there for a reason. Your brain is super critical. And so many natural nutrients and pharmaceuticals of all types will not pass that blood barrier. But C60 does. And it goes right through. And so it gets into, and because the key thing is C60 works in the mitochondria as a superoxide dismutase catalase mimic, which basically, as you get older, those levels of antioxidants your cells naturally produce go down. And when you take C60, it's a mimic, so it basically increases the active levels, so your mitochondria can act more. And mitochondria make ATP, the energy molecule of the cell. And the nerves in your brain, they work really hard. They're about the hardest working cell type in your body, and they're actually 50% by volume mitochondria. So if you make the mitochondria work better, well, then you're going to have more energy to make that neuron function. And that's the first thing people notice when they take C60 is an increase in mental clarity and kind of energy. Because what's happening is the C60 is passing the gut barrier, the blood barrier, going into the cells by endocytosis, into the mitochondria by endocytosis, where it basically increases your energy levels. And when you have more energy, well, you feel it.
Is it important for the brain inflammation to be kept at a balanced, healthy level?
Oh, that's because, inflammation, if your brain is inflamed, it can't really function. Basically,
Mhm.
there's all kinds of things. And superoxide dismutase takes care of superoxide, the most damaging oxidative radical in the body. And C60 is a mimic of that. But C60 also takes care of the hydroxyl ion, which is the second most damaging oxidative radical in the body. And usually glutathione does that. But glutathione levels drop too. So C60 is kind of like a double agent that it can work for SOD catalase and for glutathione and lower those oxidative radicals in your brain cells, increase your mitochondria function. And that means just your neurons are just increase in their effectiveness, and you will feel it very rapidly when you take C60.